looking at heaters for a prop house, but there are many options. It's about a 16 by 20. We are getting solar soon, so maybe electric. What are the pros and cons of heaters you've used? Thanks for any info. You know, well, 16 by 20, that's a very small greenhouse. You don't really have to worry about, yeah, you could just probably use an electric there and it would be fine. Depending on how warm you want to keep it and how insulated it is. I actually find with most greenhouses, as much as I like solar and I have my houses on solar and all that, the reality is gas is just a far more efficient heat. It really is. That's just kind of the reality of it. All the farms I've seen, the vast majority of the ones that are really doing it well are using propane or natural gas to heat their greenhouses. It just makes so much more sense. But for you could probably get away with some kind of space heater. That's a pretty small greenhouse. My first nursery greenhouse was 12 by 20, so not much smaller than that. And I was able to keep that thing warm at around 10 degrees at night. Even not probably starting to use that near the end of March. I could keep that warm at night with a tiny space heater this big. Now, if you wanted to keep it 20 over the winter, well, that's something else. Then maybe you might want to look at heating it with gas, or you could get a 6 kilowatt heater like I have, like a garage style heater. That would certainly, they consume a lot of power, but they don't need to be on long. So the heater that I have in my greenhouse kicks on and it only needs to run for a few minutes, and then boom, the greenhouse is warm for a while, and that's in the dead of winter.